Hello everyone, welcome to ProdHut channel. Today we will be discussing about best wireless printers for home use. Printers have become an essential need for everyone. Using printers is not limited to offices and schools only, but it has expanded its working area, reaching our homes. There is no explanation required for the need to use printers in homes. From children's stuff to documents, you can get a ready-made hard copy of what you need if you have a printer right at your home. You may have felt the need of a printer at your home at the time you urgently wanted something, but could not reach the nearest cyber cafe on time. Did it happen to you also? Indeed, it happens to most of the people. At this time, a home printer can help you manage your time, and if it is a wireless printer, then it eases your pain to a great extent. Even children can operate the printer easily without thinking about how to manage the wiring stuff. So, if you are looking to buy a good printer for home use, have a look at the list of wireless printers and trust me, they are going to help you. Advantages of using a wireless printer. This decade has witnessed an increasing demand for a home printer, especially wireless printers. That's why critics have raised many questions regarding its popularity, but all in vain. When we talk about wireless printers, many of its advantages come automatically to our minds, and from them, few have been listed here to make you believe that they are worth investing. Printers for home use have got a trend these days, and that's why many people, whether they are having PCs or computers at home or not, have bought them for convenience. When you don't have a PC or a computer at home and want to work with physical documents rather than stressing your eyes on tablets and mobile phones, home printers can help you really. So, before you looking at the best quality wireless printers, let's look at some of its advantages. Easy to move. One of the essential features of a wireless printer is that it is easy to move or portable. They can move easily wherever you want without struggling through wires. No mess of wires. As the name suggests, these are wireless printers, so they prevent you from getting into any trouble with wires. Forget all about awful wires and switch to new technology wireless printers. Compatible with handheld devices. Unlike wired printers, these wireless printers give you a chance to operate through handheld devices like tablets or mobile phones, and they don't use too much of your internet pack, allowing you to use them as long as you want. Cost efficiency. If you think getting a wireless printer will cost you too much, then you are wrong. You can easily get a wireless printer at the cost of a simple printer. It is this feature of a wireless printer that has turned into an advantage of it. Saves energy. Operating a printer may cost you a little electricity bill sometime, but if you have a wireless printer at your home, except charging it, it will not cost you too much of the electricity bill. Features to look upon while purchasing a wireless printer. Surely, if you will purchase a printer, then you must look at some of its extraordinary features to assure yourself you are buying the correct product. For your assurance, we have listed some features that you must look on while purchasing a printer for home use. Image quality. No matter which printer you are choosing, image quality is a thing everyone looks upon while choosing a good printer for them. Depending upon the target file or image, your need may differ. A good printer is that which produces a resolution of up to 1200 dpi. As stated earlier, depending on the situation, the need may differ. At a particular time, you may require pleasant quality resolution, and at another time, an average quality resolution. So, this is an extreme variable feature that a printer must have to be categorized as a good printer. Apart from this, color gamut and ink density are other features to have a look on. A wireless printer with variable color gamut makes it extraordinary in terms of efficiency as it produces a high quality image as compared to other printers. Also, a printer having a good ink density is preferred over others. Speed and size. A high-speed printer with a small size is usually convenient too. However, if you want large-sized images, then you must need a big printer. It depends on your requirement and situation. The size of the printer is your call, and you will have a wide range of wireless printers available. Speed, which is one of the essential features to look upon while purchasing a printer, is an actual concern. However, fast speed printers should not be classified directly as excellent ones. A high-speed printer may be at the cost of image resolution. You may have to compromise with the quality if you wish to have top speed while choosing a good printer. Search if it is having an outstanding balance of both these factors. Media coverage. A good printer must be able to cover a wide range of media along with good quality image and size. If you buy a wireless printer, then it should be able to handle all the media you want it to deliver. Sometimes a printer is good at speed and resolution too, but it may not deliver you the desired media which you want. So if you are planning to bring a printer at home, then apart from the above features, inspect the printer's capability to deliver you a wide range of media. HP DiskJet 4729 All-in-One Ultra Ink Advantage Wireless Printer. A printer from HP series will be well managed and intelligent, and the same is with this 4729 model. This Ultra Ink Advantage printer not only comes with the wireless operating facility but also with the Alexa enabled voice assistant. If you want an automatic wireless printer, then HP 4729 can make a place in your home. From an overview of home use also, the printer stands impressive because of its sleek design and voice assistant features. The printer claims to deliver you more prints than any other model of HP and also assures the same quality of the brand. If this brief description makes you feel good, then get ready to have a detailed look at the product with the details given below. All in one. With this HP model right at your home, you need not to have other devices like a scanner, photocopying machine, etc. Because with the name of the printer, it can give you scanned flatbed documents and photocopies too. This Ink Advantage printer also assures you to give the best color printing experience. Hands-free. The printer also comes with a fantastic quality of being hands-free. With the Alexa enabled feature, you can easily print media vocally. The printer also works with Google Assistant, making it fit for home use. Apart from this, the model also has a noise reducing feature that will help you stay concentrated all the time while you are working. From working at the home to enjoying printing media, you can do all you want with this unknown technology. Connectivity. As it is a wireless printer, it offers you one of the readiest to use connectivity options. It provides Wi-Fi connectivity along with a physical USB connection, making it one of the most portable wireless printers. As the ease of connectivity is one of the most demanding features of a printer, HP 4729 has successfully stood out as it this detail. This extra amazing feature can readily grasp the claim made by the company regarding ease of use. Display. Display that a printer offers decides its usefulness, and with the HP 4729 model at your home, you don't have to worry about it. It gives you the most wanted 7-segment display that is probably enough to decide whether it is good. Apart from this, the printer also gives you the icon LCD, which adds upon its qualities. So if you are worried about the display, then you can skip all the worries and have a look at the model. Cost and time efficiency. Though all the above listed features are enough to prove that its adequacy, the most important detail to look at is the ppm count. HP 4729 gives you 7.5 pages per minute with a black and white printout and 5.5 pages per minute with color printouts, enabling you to save a lot of your precious time. Talking about the cost per print, it is one of the most efficient printers. At just a nominal cost of 52 paise for black and white print and 1 rupee 1 paise for colored printouts. It offers you efficiency at a cost too. No matter what printer are you choosing, wired or wireless, ppm count and cost per print are the things which must be dealt with carefully. And fully maintained both these features are full with this alternative HP model. Good range of page sizes supported. Another essential feature to look upon while deciding the printer for you is its compatibility with the page sizes, because they may vary with the situation and need. HP 4729 offers you a wide range of sizes of the page to choose from A4, A6 and B5 to DL envelope. You can opt for any size to have the desired printout without compromising with the quality and outlook. Resolution. The resolution offered by the model is one of the best resolutions provided by a wireless printer. It provides 4800 by 1200 optimized DPI with colored printouts and up to 1200 by 1200 rendered DPI for black and white printouts. If you don't want to compromise with the quality, then you can choose this printer. Size. It has one of the most demanded compatible size, having dimensions 48.6 by 35 by 18.8 centimeters. It is not too big and not too small for your desired printouts. Having such a compatible printer right at your home is nothing less than a boon. Ink cartridge. HP 4729 comes with 2 additional free ink cartridges, one for black and white and one for colored printouts. The model comes with HP 46 black and tricolor ink cartridge that offer you a page yield of 1500 pages for black and white printouts and 750 pages for colored printouts. Pros and cons. Pros. Economical printer for home use, offers you one of the easiest setups, premium looking printer with excellent printing experience. Cons. Does not support double side printing, does not offer quick printing experience. Canon Pixma E477 all-in-one wireless printer. This E477 model of Canon brand has proved one of the best in its kind. Being from such an acknowledgeable brand, the printer has some unique features which makes it extraordinary. Besides being wireless, the printer is also economical for a small office or home use. You can also enjoy wireless setup which the Canon app offers. Selfie by name, the app is easy to use and offers you an easy setup of the printer. You can also set up cloud services with this app on your phone. So, buying a Canon printer sounds useful, isn't it? After going through its amazing features, you will surely fall in love with this model. All in one. Like many other wireless printers, this printer also offers you the facility of being all in one. From scan to photocopy, you can do all you want with this all in one printer. No need for having separate machines at all when all of your work can be done at the same place. Customers say that they always wanted such a wireless model that can give them automatic facilities of data feeding with the Canon app and can do all of their desired works. Investing in such a printer that can do all your stuff sounds an excellent idea. Speed and size. I well know Canon is well for producing high-speed printers without compromising with the quality. Also, its sleek and compatible design is a beneficial aspect to look on. It has dimensions of 30.6 by 42.6 by 14.5 centimeters, which seems portable and compatible. It has a speed of up to 4.0 IPM for colored printouts and 8.0 IPM for monoprints. Its size and speed make it extra astounding. Not only its physical qualities are amazing, but also it serves all its purpose with full honesty. It has amazing print and image quality. The thing that makes it different from other models is its ability to feed documents using the Android mobile app Selfie. Not only this, but it also offers both side printing, which the other printers cannot offer. Maximum size of media supported. The printer also offers a wide range of media sizes supported. The maximum size of the printouts the print support, which is A4. However, its extra clear output offers you the most amazing experience of printing. Who would have thought printing would become so fun with this Canon branded printer? Resolution. If you want a good printer, then looking at its resolution quality is a thing that matters most. Canon's E477 model delivers you one of the most accepted resolution quality of 4800 by 600 pixels for monochrome printouts. If compared with the other Canon printers that the brand has launched previously, this model gives you one of the finest resolutions. With this model, you can easily get your desired media with clear quality. Compatible. The printer is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, SPI, and Windows Vista SP2. This unique feature of the printer has made it one of the most demanding printers in the market. With this model at your home, you can easily learn to operate a printer because it is easy to be operated too. With the Selfie app, you can directly link the printer to your phone and operate it easily. This app produced by Canon has made the brand make its place in customers' hearts. Automatic. Auto Power On feature detects a printer command and automatically turns the printer on with a USB connection. Not only this much, but the printer also switches off automatically after a specific period. Fit for home use, the printer can do many of your chores at just a click away. The printer also offers you facility of Pixma Cloud Link through which you can print any of the media through online services like Twitter, Facebook, Dropbox and many more. Also, you can scan to email and attach it to the services like Google and Yahoo. Without tethering to your PC, you can also print media through smartphones and tablets. With this wireless printer, you can easily make your home printing fun. Fine cartridge. With a total of 1280 nozzles, the printer gives you easy printing. The model has 4800 horizontal and 600 vertical DPI. The printer has an ink-efficient printing technology that will not cost you too much on the ink charges. Talking about its performance, then there is much to talk about. It has got 3.8 stars print quality from customers' reviews. No one can literally beat its record for being convenient. It is easy to use and a true value for your precious money. Pros and cons. Pros. Offers both side printing, compatible with various Windows versions, automatic power on or off feature, a special Android app called Selfie for easy operation. Cons. Average installation is after sale services are not so good. Canon Pixma TS307 single function wireless inkjet printer. Another well-known product from Canon, the model has established new trends for being extraordinary at nominal price ranges. It is specially designed for home use, so it delivers you the most amazing experience of printing right at your home. The printer also comes with a 1-year warranty, meaning no worry about any damage to the printer in that time period. Being a Canon product, it has its special demand in the market for being stylish and useful. You can easily connect the printer with one touch to your smartphone. It also offers you to connect it to the well-known Canon Selfie app, through which you can copy any media or borderless images right at a click. So let's jump into the ocean of its features and details to explore more about it. Connectivity. Besides being wireless, the printer has some other connectivity options too. You can connect it over Wi-Fi and USB. Though being wireless, the printer also offers you physical connection, and being a product from Canon, it also supports the Selfie app. So, if you want a wireless printer that can be used as a wired printer when you need it, you can think over this option. Although many other products also claim to offer the same, Pixma TS307 differs from being available with the Easy app supported by mobile connection. Operating systems supported. Unlike other printers, it offers you a wide range of operating systems supported. With Windows, Mac, and Apple AirPrint, the model also supports Google Cloud Print, enabling you to get the latest operating systems connected with the printer. Have the most amazing printing experience with the no limitations. That's what this model claims to provide you. Cost and time efficiency. This Canon product is efficient from every aspect. It has a speed of 7.7 ppm for black and white printouts and 4.0 ppm for colored printouts, which makes it even more efficient in terms of time and speed. We categorize its ppm rate to be one of the best ppm rates. That is, buying a printer requires a minute's inspection of everything, and over that, this feature of Pixma TS307 makes it a pleasant choice. It has a cost of 7 rupees per page for black and white printouts and cost of 9 rupees for colored printouts. All its features and details are good and attractive. Page size supported. It supports a wide range of page sizes. Along with A4 size, it also offers some other dimensions like 10.16 by 15.24 centimeters and 122.70 by 17.78 centimeters. It also offers borderless printing of up to 4 by 6 inches. However, the duplex print is not supported by the model. Despite this, its astonishing features have placed it in higher rankings than other wireless models. Borderless printing has made the printer gain a unique identity. Not only this much, but the printer's economical price has also made it popular. If you order one, you get a free 10 days replacement with the order of Amazon gives this facility on most of its deliveries. Resolution. Another feature to look upon while choosing a good printer is its resolution quality. With this Canon product at your home, you don't have to worry about this. It gives you a resolution of up to 4800 by 1200 dpi. The printer is specially designed for home use as it provides not over 50 prints per month. It has a compatible size dimensions of 43 by 55.8 by 21.2 centimeters, which is supported for home use. The model has a printing technology of inkjet type. There is no double-sided printing supported by the printer. Ink cartridge. It has a range of compatible inks with various page yields. With PG745S, the supported page yield is of 100 pages. With PG745, the page yield is of 180 pages. PG745XL supports 300 pages. CL746S supports a yield of 100 pages. CL756 a yield of 180 pages, and CL746XL a yield of 300 pages. You get one set of PG745 and one set of CL746 ink cartridges. Pros and cons. Pros. Comes at economical price and it's especially designed for home use. Single function printer. A range of operating systems supported. Cons. Double side printing is not supported. No duplex printing. This was all about the best wireless printers for home use. You can choose any of the above printers according to your need and price range. We tried to deliver you each and every minute detail of the product, but you can also surf through their Amazon links to discover more about these printers.